Hi guys, welcome to St. Augustine Catholic Church TV. With us here are members of the Catholic Youth Organization of Nigeria. We're going to be talking about glaucoma. I'm very sure that a lot of us do not know the causes of glaucoma or what glaucoma even means. With us here is
Dr. Nnamdi Nweke.
all right, doctor. What is glaucoma?
Glaucoma is a group of eye diseases that affects or damages the optic nerve of the eyes.
Okay. So what are the causes of glaucoma?
Generally, there are a lot of causes, but there is no specific cause. But there are risk factors. The number one of them has to do with the issue of raised or increased intraocular pressure, IOP, in the eyes.
Okay, doctor, you spoke about intraocular pressure. So what does that mean?
Basically, intraocular pressure is a phenomenon in the eyes that has to deal with the production of the aqueous humor from what we call ciliary processes in the eyes and how they nourish the eyes till when they are exited or drained through the trabecular network in the eyes. They help to keep the eye pressure in a normal condition.
Okay, so doctor, in layman terms, what does that mean?
Okay, it means just like we have our blood pressure, okay, that helps us with passing of nutrients throughout our bodies and systems. God, in His infinite mercy, was able to create the eye pressure, okay, through what we know as aqueous humor, that does three major things. Number one, helps to bring balance to the shape of the eyeball, helps to also transport nutrients needed by the structures in the eyes, and also make sure that our eyes have good shape.
Okay, so how can we prevent glaucoma?
Well, glaucoma can be prevented by chief of them all has to do with early eye detection
Okay,
because glaucoma does not have any cure.
okay,
So it is best managed when it is discovered on time.
all right. So, doctor, we've been speaking about glaucoma. So, and we're talking about the partnership that we have with your eye clinic. So, how do you intend on helping our viewers to, with this early eye detection?
Yes, to celebrate, basically, World Glaucoma Week always comes up between the second Sunday of March to the week that Saturday that ends it. And by the grace of God, in partnership with Cyon, OPTO-NAD Eye Clinic and Health Service is carrying out free glaucoma screen and general eye tests on all Saturdays in March. We already began in 7th and 14th, and by the grace of God, we are looking forward to carrying out the program continuously on the 21st and the 28th of March 2026.
All right, guys, you heard that. Where's the venue?
The venue is at Sacred Heart Schools, opposite Zone A car park by Estate Third Gate off Ibaye bus stop.
All right, guys, you heard that. We members of St. Augustine Catholic Church Cyon, in partnership with Dr. Nnamdi Nweke, will be carrying out this eye test in all Saturdays of March. Please ensure that you go for your early eye test screening and make sure that we prevent this glaucoma from happening to any one of us. Bye, guys.